asked you on Monday about the drug shortages question, and just wanted to follow up on that. Is this something that the president has been engaged in? Has he been briefed on medicine shortages?
So let me just say this and share where we are. So as I've said, as you mentioned on Monday, I was asked by your colleague, I believe Ben, the administration is closely monitoring for the possibility of any national shortages. Medicine shortages are not uncommon and is closely monitored and led by FDA and HHS, who are experts on this, right? This is their focus. Health officials are in close communication with manufacturers around these medicines. While we cannot force a manufacturer to make more of any drug, the conversations have been focused on understanding their supply and production levels, as well as if there are any needs that we can assist with to ensure steady supply. We stand ready to help if there is a need. As part of these conversations, FDA and HHS are in touch with manufacturing associates who continue to tell the public that they are seeing strong supply chains for these products. So that work, again, is ongoing. And as a reminder, we stand ready to help states and jurisdictions as they face the confluence of winter illness. But also importantly, we are aggressively pushing everyone to get their flu and COVID shots. I said this on Monday. It is important to do. That is how folks are going to protect themselves and their families, especially as we're going into continuing the holiday season. So we stand ready to provide resources to states like ventilators and PPE, as well as personnel to help in hospitals. Just last week, Secretary Becerra sent a letter to the nation's governors reminding them to request those resources if they need it. Again, this is something that FDA and HHS is managing, but as I just stated, we are ready to help when needed, when those requests come in.
The FDA and agencies don't have much visibility into the supply chain issues. They've said that they're really dependent on the industry to give them information on any issues and whether there are shortages. Does the White House think it's time for the FDA to get more involved so that they can get better information from companies?
Well, I just stated in my layout here that FDA and HHS are in touch with manufacturing associates who continue to tell the public that they are seeing strong supply chains for these products. So that's what they're hearing. That's what we're all hearing from these manufacturing associations. So I'll leave it there. But again, I would refer you to FDA and HHS, as they are indeed the experts on this. But I've been very clear. You saw Secretary Becerra's letter that I just laid out. We are ready to help, and we have told states to certainly ask for help if they need it, and we will be ready to act.